Hello everyone, this is Prashant and welcome to EasyTech AI channel. Today we will learn about how to use simulate keystroke in automation A360. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get the latest videos. So we will see how we can use the simulate keystrokes in automation A360 with the practical here. So simulate keystroke is nothing but we can able to insert the values through keystrokes, like how we behave on the keyboard while dealing with any of the application. So we can able to use the shortcut keys also. There are multiple shortcut keys which we are use in our daily routine, that also we can able to perform through simulate keystroke here. So we will see with the practical right now. So first of all, what use case I'm trying to perform today, I'm just opening the Chrome browser, entering the URL and then searching something and then hitting the enter and closing the browser. Okay, so that is the use case for this particular simulate keystroke practice, so that I'm just performing here. So for opening the Chrome, just I'm using the open program. Okay, so this is available here, the application and open program file. Okay, so here I can open the Chrome browser. Okay, so for this chrome.exe, so here you can able to see the location of the program and file. Okay, so just we can use this chrome.exe. Okay, save this. Okay, so I'll just run this so that it will open the Chrome browser and we will perform the remaining steps there. Okay. Okay, so bot is running now. All right, so it's open. So we'll perform the remaining steps now. I'll quickly go here, close. Okay, so once it is open, so I need to enter URL in address bar. Okay, so here is the fresh Chrome window which is opened, and here I need to insert the URL here. Okay, so I'll just go here and then I'll search the simulate. Okay, and inside the simulate keystrokes package we have simulate keystrokes action is there. Okay, so I'll simply drag this. Okay, and then from here we can able to select the particular window. Okay, so here we can able to see the window. If this is not available, then we can just click on this refresh window, so that whatever the windows are available right now, those it will be show here. Okay, so here I'll have this new tab. Okay, so I'll just select this. Okay, all right, so this has been selected now, and then I can enter here the URL www.google.com. Okay, and then hit on save. So here the delay between each keystroke in ms milliseconds. Okay, so here if you want to insert the keystrokes, each key, this is basically the time between each key which how we are entering. Suppose I'll increase this to the 50, then the speed of the inserting character, it will be the little bit slow. Okay, so this is basically how the application perform. Based on that you can select it here. So I'm just keeping 10 as of now. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so once enter the www.google in the address bar, then I supposed to hit the enter. Okay, so for that I'll again use the simulate keystroke here, and then I'll because the window will remain the same, so I'm just selecting this window again, and then here we can able to see the enter. If not, then we can directly type here enter in the capital. Okay, so here. Okay, and then click on save. Okay, so it will enter the www.google.com and then hit enter, and once it is enter, I'll just perform this manually. google.com. Okay, and hit enter, and then I need to type temperature here. Okay, so that I'll perform here in the code. I'll quickly copy this because the window is same, so that is why I'm doing that. So and here what I supposed to do, I supposed to insert the string temperature. Okay, and then I supposed to enter here after this particular string. Okay, so enter. All right, this is done. Save this. Okay, so once it is entered, I supposed to close it immediately. Okay, so for that we will have the shortcut key. Okay, so that shortcut key we can use it, but first of all we will just see whatever the lines we have entered here, just we can test it. Okay, so I'll quickly close this and then run this. Okay, so the Chrome browser has been opened, and then here it should type the Google, and then it will insert the temperature and then hit enter. Okay, okay, so those steps we have performed from the simulate keystroke. So I suppose to close the browser. Okay, so I'll have one shortcut key that I'll just try to show you how we can use the shortcut keys also. So here I'm just using the same simulate keystroke. So the window is remaining same, so that is why we are keeping the same here. I'm just selecting the same window. Okay, okay, and then here we can use the shortcut key here. Okay, so what shortcut key is there? Control plus W. Okay, so how we are performing through the keyboard, the same thing we can perform here. So what I'll do, I'll just select from this insert keystroke. Okay, so here I need to select this control. Once I clicked on this control, then you can able to see the control down and control up. Okay, so how we are performing through the manually, we are just clicking on the control, and then we are simultaneously in clicking on the W. Okay, so for that we are doing control down, then selecting the W, and then we are just left from this control, so that control up. Okay, so the same thing I'll perform here. Control down is already there, so inside the control down and control up, just I'll put W. Okay, so the control W it will be pressed. Okay, so I'll just quickly save this. Okay, and then I'll run this. I'll quickly close this before that, and we will try to run this from the beginning. Okay, so it will enter the URL, and then it will type the string here inside the search box, and then it will hit the enter. Okay, and then it will close the particular window. All right, so all steps it has been performed. So guys, this is kind of the last step we can perform while performing any of the development activities, because if the application is legacy application, then we can use it. But before that, just you can try with the capture command, capture action, so that it will be available the same approach there. But in case of any legacy application, and if you found some difficulties, and then only you can go with this last option. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.